Hi, Leann Forst here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an essential oil roller bottle blend for detox. So detox is something that I teach about regularly, and I teach to my clients in my private health coaching practice, and I teach in all the classes. So almost every major disease has some sort of toxicity that is related to it. So when clients come to me and they are sick and they have some chronic illness or full-blown cancer, I always text for toxic burden, okay? So those silent toxicities that we are all dealing with and that we're all exposed to, that we're all carrying around to some level, are important to address. So our grandparents didn't have to deal with the level of toxicity that we have to deal with today, because in today's modern society, we are exposed to more chemicals in our personal care products, our cleaning products, our food, our water, and our air than we ever have before. And we do have detox organs, and our body is meant to detoxify itself, but when we have an overabundance of these toxins, then they can slow down the process, and these organs can become very clogged. And so we have to help the process out. And doTERRA makes a great blend called Zindicrine. And Zindicrine is in itself a great detoxifying blend because it's going to go in and grab onto those toxins such as the phthalates, the parabens, the xenoestrogens that are in our personal care products and so forth that we're exposed to. And they're going to grab them and they're going to flush them out, okay? So to make your own detox roller bottle blend at home, what I've got here is a 5 milliliter roller bottle, and you can do a 10 milliliter one if you want to. 9, 10. You got 10 drops of Zindicrine. Okay, so obviously if it's a 10 milliliter roller bottle, you're going to double that. You're going to top it off with fractionated coconut oil, and that's it. You are going to pop on the top, and you're going to roll this all over your liver as well as your feet at night to help detoxify your organs. This is going to support weight loss. This is going to support your hormones, your thyroid, and really help in those processes. So I hope that helps you out as far as learning how to make a detox roller bottle blend. And if you have any questions, you can email me at leann@groovybeats.com.